Hello and welcome back to my channel. And you know, I have had this done for so long and I have been cleaning off my desk, and this poor little guy has been sitting and waiting for his debut. So today is his debut. This I made using April Storm's her kit called Sirens Call Ocean Steampunk. And this is Captain Blackthorne's private papers. And so I thought I would have a little bit of fun with that. So let's see what I did. So here, this has been a while. This will be new for me too. So I did a little flip here and a little journaling space here. And as you can see, I just took and stamped in there, used my stencils is what I did. And we'll just stick that back in there. That's his little private stash. These little secret notes. And his girlfriend. Okay, let's get that back in here. That just kind of holds it down so it doesn't flip open when, and it's rusty like the sea. Okay, so then here I put a pocket, and I just took some of the papers and folded them and made them so that you had that little extra writing space. And I'm going to put that in there like that. And then I put a pocket on top of a pocket so it holds some little things and some littler things. Lots of pockets. Okay, and then here, there they are together. Aren't they cute? A cute couple. So here, oh, look. Two different ladies. Oh, just. Good thing these are his private notes. Anywho, there we go. And then here I have another tag just to do some writing on. And is this going to go back in there for me? Yes. Yes, it will. There we go. This is such a cute little book. I don't know why it took so long to film it. And, well, I do know. Procrastination is me. And this one here, I have a little card in here. And then this just is such a beautiful page. I decided to leave it just as is. Put that like that. There we go. Another page for journaling. And then this one here, just a little few of the items in the kit, and then I put a little card in here just to another little writing spot. Some more writing spots. I think I have, yeah, there we go. I love that page. I love the color in there. Beautiful. I love the pages. And then this one here, just a pocket with, again, just another little place to have some, make some notes. And then, oh yes, I have another flip out here. I'll bet you, no, it's not. I thought maybe it was a pocket, but it's not. So just an area to do some writing. Pretty pages. And then just a little pocket here. And then this here is just another place to write. And this, I made a no-sew book. And it is kind of just a flip open like that. So, a little different design than what I'm used to doing, but I really like how it turned out. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Thank you, April, for letting me work with this. I know it took a long time for me to get it filmed, but I've had it ready for a while. All right, have yourselves an awesome day. Bye-bye.